Measurements is the second unit of this term. Students, in the last session, we have recalled the basic shapes, namely square, rectangle and triangle. We have learned about the shape parallelogram and its area and perimeter. The shape rhombus. Area of the rhombus if base and height are given. Area of the rhombus if the diagonals are given. And we solved some problems involving area and perimeter of parallelogram and rhombus. Dear students, today we are going to see about the shape trapezium. We are familiar with parallelogram and rhombus. What will happen in a parallelogram if one pair of parallel sides are not equal? Can you draw it? How will it look like? The shape looks as given in figure 2.19. A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as a trapezium. The distance between the parallel sides is the height of the trapezium. Here, the sides AD and BC are not parallel, but AB is parallel to DC. Isosceles trapezium. What is an isosceles trapezium? If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, that is AB is equal to CD, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Dear students, to know more about trapezium, you need to know the following. Students, the parallel sides are also called as base and the non-parallel lines are called as legs of a trapezium. There are mainly 5 types of trapezium. They are scalene trapezium, isosceles trapezium, right angle trapezium, obtuse trapezium and acute trapezium. Let us see one by one. Isosceles trapezium has legs of equal length, that is, non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal. The bases are parallel but of different length. Scalene trapezium has 4 sides of unequal length. The bases are parallel but of different lengths. The 2 legs, that is the non-parallel sides, are of different lengths. Right angle trapezium. It has one right angle, that is 90 degree between either base and a leg. Obtuse trapezium has one interior angle. Interior angle. What is an interior angle? It is an angle inside a shape created by either base and a leg greater than 90 degrees. Acute trapezium has both interior angles created by the longer base and legs, that is non-parallel sides, measuring less than 90 degrees. Examples of trapezium in real life. Now let us see the area of the trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium with parallel sides AB and DC, measuring A units and B units respectively. Let the distance between the 2 parallel sides be H units. The diagonal BD divides the trapezium into 2 triangles, namely ABD and BCD. To find the area of the trapezium, we have to find the area of this triangle ABD and the area of this triangle BCD. That is, area of the trapezium is the sum of two triangles. That is area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. So we know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. So when we take this triangle ABD, what is the area? Half into base. Here the base is AB and the height H is the height of this triangle. Therefore, half into AB into H. Write down here. And plus area of triangle BCD. So, what is the area of this triangle? So, since the two triangles have same heights, we can easily say that the height of this triangle is H. And here the base is DC. So, half into base into height. Base is DC and height. Now, taking half and H commonly outside, we get area of trapezium is equal to half into H into, here in the first term AB is left over, and in the second term DC is left. So AB plus DC, and half into H. What is AB? Which is nothing but A. What is DC? Which is nothing but B. So A plus B square units. So therefore area of the trapezium we derived as half into H into A plus B square units. Students, before going to do the problems, let's recall the area of the trapezium once again. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units, where H is the height of the trapezium and A and B are the length of the parallel sides. Students, I shall tell you the method and steps to solve the problems. Step 1. Take a note of what is given in the question. Step 2. What is the question and what value has to be found? Step 3. Which formula has to be used for that particular problem? Step 4. Solve the problem. Step 5. Clearly write down the answer with units. Here in the following problems, we are using the formula, that is the area of the trapezium. A is equal to 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units, where H is the height of the trapezium and A and B are the parallel sides. Example 2.10. Find the area of the trapezium whose height is 14 cm and the parallel sides are 18 cm and 9 cm of length. So first we have to draw a trapezium ABCD, and given that 18 cm and 9 cm the parallel sides and the height of the trapezium is 14 cm. So mark all the given values in the trapezium. Here H is the distance between the parallel sides, that is 14 cm, and here AB and DC are the parallel sides of this trapezium. The values are 18 and 9. 18 is A value and 9 is the B value, and mark in the trapezium. Now we have to find the area of the trapezium. Write down the given values. H is equal to 14 cm. Parallel sides are, what is the parallel sides? 18 cm and 9 cm. Now we have to find the area of the trapezium, that is 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units. Substituting all the values. 1 by 2 into, what is H? 14. A is 18 plus 9. The value of B is 9. 1 by 2 into 14. First, by using the BIDMAS rule, first find the value of between the bracket. So that is 27. Now, cancelling 2 and 14. By using the table 2, we get 7. And here 7 into 27. When we multiply 7 and 27, we get 189, which is square centimeter. Therefore, area of the trapezium is 189 square centimeter. Don't forget to put the unit. 2.11. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 23 cm and 12 cm. The distance between the parallel sides is 9 cm. Find the area of the trapezium. Here, first we have to draw a trapezium ABCD and mark the values given in the problem. So here the parallel sides are 23 and 12. So AB is 23 and DC is 12 centimeter. And then the distance between the parallel sides is given, which is H. The value of H is 9 centimeter. So here we have to find the area of the trapezium. So in the solution, first write down the given values. Height H is equal to 9 centimeter. Parallel sides are A and B. The values of A and B are 23 centimeter and 12 centimeter. We know that the formula for area of the trapezium is half into H into A plus B square units. Now we have to substitute all the given values in this formula. Area of the trapezium 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units. So we know that all the values of H, A and B. So substitute all the values here. 1 by 2 into 9 into 23 plus 12. So first by using the BIDMAS rule, first find the value within the bracket. That is 23 plus 13 is 35. Now 1 by 2 into 9 into 35. In the numerator, multiply 9 with 35. When we multiply 35 and 9, we get 315. So now we have to divide 315 by 2. When we divide this value by 2, we get 157.5, which is the area of the trapezium. Therefore, area of the trapezium is 157.5 square centimeter. Students, I'll show you how to divide this value. Students, now I'll show you how to divide 350 by 2. First, take the first digit. See whether it is divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible by 2, then how many times it is divisible? Now 2 is divisible by 3 one time. Put 1 in the quotient place. So 1 into 2 is 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Now bring the next digit 1 down near 1. That is 11. How many times will 2 divisible by 11? It is 5 times. Put the 5 in the quotient near 1. That is 5 into 2 is 10. Now 11 minus 10 is 1. Bring 5 down. Similarly, how many times is 2 divisible by 15? 7 times. Put 7 in the quotient. 7 into 2 is 14. 15 minus 4 is 1. Now, after this, as we don't have any further digits, But still we have not completely divided 315 by 2. We need to place a point in the quotient, and after that we can add 0 near 1. So it becomes 10. Now 2 is divisible by 10 5 times. So put 5 in the quotient. So the answer is 157.5. The area of a trapezium is 828 square centimeter. If the lengths of its parallel sides are 19.6 centimeter and 16.4 centimeter, find the distance between them. Now students, draw a trapezium ABCD and mark the values given in the problem. Here in the problem they given the values of parallel sides and the area of the trapezium. So here 19.6, 16.4 are the values of the parallel sides, and then we have to write what are the values given. Area of the trapezium is 828 square centimeter. Parallel sides are A is equal to 19.6 centimeter and B is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Now our aim is to find the distance between the parallel sides, that is height of the trapezium H. Students, here area of the trapezium is half into h into a plus b square units and half into h into a plus b, which is the area of the trapezium. 828 it is given in the question itself. So in the next step what we'll do, we have to substitute all the known values. So 1 by 2 into h into a. The value of a is 19.6 and the value of b is 16.4 is equal to 828. Now by using the BITMAS rule, we have to do the calculation within the bracket first. So 19.6 plus 16.4. We know that how to add the decimal values. So 19.6 plus 16.4 we get 36.0 and 1 by 2 into h, 36 is equal to 828. Now cancelling 36 and 2 we get, this is 1 time and it is 18 times. 18h is equal to 828. Now this 18, it is in the numerator in the left hand side. When it crosses the equal to sign, it goes to the denominator in the right hand side. So h is equal to 828 divided by 18. Now by using second table, here it is 414 times and it is 9 times. And then by using 3 table, it is, when we cancel 414 and 9 by 3 we get, this is 3 times, this is 138 times. Now again by using the third table, it is 1 time and it is 46 times. So h is equal to 46, which is the distance between the parallel side of the trapezium is 46 centimeter. Here example 2.13. The area of the trapezium is 352 square centimeter. Here the area of the trapezium is given. And the distance between its parallel sides is 16 centimeter, which is the height of the trapezium. That is, the distance between the parallel side is h. It is given that 16 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is of length 25 centimeter, so let it be A, or the length of AB, and then find the length of the other side. So we have to find the value of DC, that is one of the parallel side is given, that is 25. We have to find the other length of the parallel side. Okay, so for this we don't know what is the value of DC. For that, let it be x. Let the length of the required side be x centimeter. Now area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Now we know that in the next step what we'll do, we have to substitute all the given values. So the value of h is 16, the value of a is 25, it is given in the problem itself. And what is the value of b? It is x, which is unknown. We have to find the value of x. So let it be x. Okay. So in the next step, cancel 2 and 16. So it is 1 time and it is 8 times. So 8 into 25 plus x we derived. So which is the area of the trapezium we derived. But the area of the trapezium is 352 square centimeter is given in the problem, in the question itself. So we have to equate these two values. So therefore 8 into 25 plus x is equal to 352. Now this 8 when come to the another side, it goes to the denominator because it is in the numerator. So when it goes to the denominator, we get 352 divided by 8. Now cancelling this 8 and 352, we get 44. Now 25 plus x is equal to 44. Here this 25, when it crosses the equal to sign, it comes with the negative sign minus. So 44 minus 25 we get. So now 44 minus 25 is 19. So the value of x is 19, which is the value of the other side, which is the value of the length of the other side. That is b is equal to x, which is equal to 19 centimeter. Example 2.14. The collar of a shirt is in the form of isosceles trapezium. What is meant by isosceles trapezium? If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as isosceles trapezium, whose parallel sides are 17 cm and 14 cm. That is, A and B are given. And the distance between them is 4 cm. That is, the height of the trapezium is given. Find the area of canvas that will be used to stitch the collar. So, in this problem, we have to find the area of the trapezium. Now, first draw a trapezium and mark all the given values. And write down what are the values given. Given h is equal to 4 cm, parallel sides A and B 17 and 14 centimeters. Children, now we know that area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Now in this next step, what we'll do? We have to substitute all the given values. So the value 1 by 2 into the value of h is 4. The value of a is 17 plus the value of b is 14. Now by using the BIDMAS rule, we have to do the calculation within the bracket first. So 17 plus 14 is 31. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 31 we get. So now cancelling this 4 and 2, here it is 1 times and it is 2 2s are 4. This is 2 times. So 2 into 31. So now multiplying 2 into 31 we get 62 centimeter. Square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the canvas used is 62 square centimeter. Now, let us see the exercise 2.3 problems. Friends, let us see the problems. Exercise 2.3. Find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. Here, we have to find the area of the trapezium and what are the values given? The parallel sides A and B are given and h distance between the parallel lines is height of the trapezium, which is 15 centimeter. So solution. So we have to draw a trapezium ABCD and mark all the given values here. That is, the parallel sides values are 24 and 20 and the distance between the parallel sides is h, which is 15 centimeter. And then we have to write the given values. Height is equal to 15 centimeter, parallel sides A is equal to 24 centimeter, B is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the trapezium. Before that, write down the formula for trapezium. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Here we have to substitute all the given values. 1 by 2 into the value of h is 15. The values of a and b are 24 and 20. And here by using BIDMAS rule, we have to do the calculation within the bracket first. 24 plus 20 is 44. That is 1 by 2 into 15 into 44. Now cancelling 44 and 2, we get 22. Now multiplying 15 and 22, we get 330 square centimeter, which is the area of the trapezium. Now let us see the third problem. The area of the trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. That is the value of h. If one of the parallel sides is 84, here let it be A. A is 84 centimeter. Then find the other side. Here in this problem, they given area of the trapezium, height of the trapezium and one value of the parallel side. We have to find the other side. Okay. So for that, draw a trapezium and mark A and B, C and the values in the trapezium and write down what are the values are given. The area of the trapezium is equal to 1586 square centimeter. Height h is equal to 26 centimeter. A is equal to 84 centimeter. And to find B is equal to question mark. So we have to find the value of other side. Students, now area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Now in the next step, what we'll do? We have to substitute all the given values. So 1 by 2 into, what is the value of h? It is what? 26. And what is the value of a? It is 84. And plus b. Here we have to find the value of b. So is equal to 1586, which is the value of area of the trapezium. So it is given in the problem itself. It is in the question itself. So in the next line, when we cancel 26 by 2, it is 13. So 13 into 84 plus b is equal to 1586. And here in the next step, 13 which is in the numerator. When it crosses the equal to sign, it goes to the denominator. That is 1586 divided by 13. So when we divide 1586 by 13, we get 122. Now in the next step, 84 plus b is equal to 122 we get. Now in the next step, b is equal to, here this plus 84, when it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes minus 84. So we know that 122 minus 84 is 38, which is the length of the other side. Students, already we have seen the same type problem. So try to answer along with me. The area of the trapezium is 1080 square centimeter. If the length of its parallel sides, that is A and B, are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. Here we have to find the distance between the parallel sides, the height of the trapezium. So first, what we have to do? First we have to draw the trapezium and mark the values given in the problem and write down the given values. That is, the area of the trapezium is 1080 square centimeter and the values of A and B are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. Now our aim is to find the value of h. Students, area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. In the next step, which is given in the problem, it is 1080. So 1 by 2. In the next step, what we'll do? We have to substitute all the given values, known values. Here the known values are a and b. So 1 by 2 into h into the value of a is 55.6 and the value of b is 34.4 is equal to 1080. So here, by using BIDMAS rule, we have to do the calculation within the bracket first. So 55.6 plus 34.4. We know that how to add the decimal values. So 55.6 plus 34.4 gives 90. So here in the step 1 by 2 into h into 90 is equal to 1080. So when we cancel 90 and 2, it is 1 times and this is 45 times. So here this 45. In the next step, listen carefully, this 45 when it crosses the equal to sign, it goes to the denominator. Here 1080 divided by 45. Now cancelling this 1080 and 45 by using the fifth table. It is 216 times and here 45. 9 5s are 45. So 9. Now 260 by 9. By using third table, it is 72 times and it is 3 times. Again we are using the third table. It is 24 times and here 3 is 1 time. So now we get 24 as the value of height, the distance between the parallel sides. Now students, the fifth problem is the area of the trapezium is given as 180 square centimeter and its height is given, that is 9 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is longer than the other side by 6 centimeter, find the length of the parallel sides. So here we have to find both the values a and b. Okay, first draw the trapezium and mark the values given and then write down the given values. Here a is equal to b plus 6. Now we are taking a as b plus 6 because it is given that one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6. Longer than, it means we have to add 6 with b to get a. Okay, so let a is equal to b plus 6. Now we have to find a and b values. Students, now I'll repeat it once again. Area of the trapezium half into h into a plus b square units. And here the area of the trapezium is given, that is 180. And the value of a we have taken as b plus 6, which is given in the question itself. So for a we have to put the value b plus 6 and this is plus b. Now in the next line, b plus b, it becomes 2b because 1b plus 1b, it is 2b. 2b plus 6 and here 9 by 2, when it goes to the another side, the numerator comes to the denominator and the denominator comes to the numerator as we have known. So here 2b plus 6 is equal to, when we cancel 9 and 180, that is 20 into 2. Now 20 into 2 is 40. So 2b is equal to 40, this plus 6. When it passes the equal to sign, it comes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 6. Now 40 minus 6 is 34. So 2b is equal to 34 we get. Now what is the value of b? We have to bring this 2 to the another side. So it is in the numerator. After that it comes to the right hand side, it will go to the denominator. So 34 divided by 2 is, when cancel this 34 by 2, we get 17, which is the value we derived. So 17 is the value of b. So we get the value of one length b. So what is a? In the problem, it's given that a is equal to b plus 6. So When we add 6 with this value 17, we get the value of A. So 17 plus 6 is 23. So A is equal to 23 and B is equal to 17 centimeter, or the values of the parallel sides. Students, here sixth problem, the sunshade of a window is in the form of isosceles triangle. That is, the isosceles triangle means non-parallel sides are equal, whose parallel sides are 81 centimeter, 64 centimeter. That is, A and B are given. A is 81 centimeter and B is 64 centimeter. And the distance between them, that is the H value, is 6 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square centimeter. Here, our aim is to find the area of the isosceles trapezium. That is, by using all these values, first we have to find the area. After that, we have to find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of 2 per square meter. Students, now we know that area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Now we have to substitute all the given values. The value of h is 6. The values of a and b are 81 plus 64. Now, by using BITMAS rule, we have to do the calculation within the bracket first. So 81 plus 64 is 145. And then 1 by 2 into 6 into 145 we get. Now cancelling 6 and 2, by using the table 2, we get it is 1 time and it is 3 times. So 3 into 145. When we multiply these two values, we get 435 square centimeter, which is the area of the trapezium. Now, the cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square centimeter is given. For 1 square meter, the cost is rupees 2. Then what will be the cost if A is 435 square centimeter? So we have to multiply 2 with this 435. That is 2 into 435 gives rupees 870. So the cost of painting the surface for 435 square centimeter is 870 rupees. Friends, the last problem. A window is in the form of trapezium whose parallel sides are 105 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. Therefore, the parallel sides A and B values are given. And the distance between the parallel sides is 60 centimeter. That is the height of the trapezium, which is 60 centimeter, is given. Here, the same as the previous problem. Find the cost of the glass used to cover the window at the rate of 15 per 100 square centimeter. First, in this problem, draw a trapezium A, B, C, D and mark the given values in the trapezium figure. That is, A is equal to 105 centimeter and B is equal to 50 centimeter, and the height between the parallel sides is H is equal to 60 centimeter. And write down the given values. Given is equal to A is equal to 105 centimeter, B is equal to 50 centimeter, H is equal to 60 centimeter. So our aim is to find the area of the trapezium. A is equal to question mark. So here we have to find the area of the trapezium by using these values, and then we have to multiply that value with 15 by 100 to get the cost of such area. Now, area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Now, we have to substitute all the given values. 1 by 2 into, what is the value of h? That is 60. And what is the value of a? 105. Plus, what is the value of b? That is 50. Now, by using BITMAS rule, we have to add these two values first. We have to do the calculation within the bracket first. So, 1 by 2 into 60 into 105 plus 50 is 155. Now cancelling the 60 and 2, it is 1 times, and this is 30 times. So 30 into 155 we get. Now multiplying these two values, 30 into 155, we get 4650 square centimeter, which is the area of the trapezium. Now we have to find the cost of the glass used to cover the window at the rate of rupees 15 per 100 square centimeter. So for 1 square centimeter, it is 15 rupees per 100. Okay, 15 by 100 for 1 square centimeter. So for such square centimeter, for 4650 square centimeter, what will be the cost? So we have to find. For that, what we'll do? We have to multiply 4650 with 15 by 100. So 15 by 100 into 4650. Cancelling 0, 0 from the numerator and denominator, and cancelling 465 by 10 by using the table 5. So it is 93 times and it is 2 times. So 15 into 93. When we multiply 15 into 93, we get 1395. And in the denominator, it is that the value 2. Now we have to divide 1395 by 2. We get 697.50, which is the cost. Students, in the next class, we are going to see the miscellaneous practice problems and challenge problems.